For over 15 years, Scorpion truck bed liners have been keeping truck beds looking like new. Scorpion's UV-resistant coating can match any color or texture, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Scorpion truck bed liners use a patented environmentally safe material combined with polyurethane to create one of the toughest yet safest protective coatings on the planet. You can apply Scorpion from 35 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, but the optimum temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Scorpion is sprayed at 40 psi. This eliminates most atomization, but positive ventilation is required. Use a filtered exhaust fan that will exchange the air in the room at least 4 times per hour. A compressor capable of supplying 17.5 CFM or more of air at 90 psi is needed. A typical compressor is a 2-stage, 7.5 horsepower, 220-volt compressor with an 80-gallon storage tank. If you are within 100 feet of your air supply, a 3/8-inch hose is adequate. The recommended storage temperature of Scorpion chemicals is 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Protecting and preparing the truck and truck bed is a very important part of the process. The following is a list of tools and accessories that will be needed to do the job correctly. The following is a list of Scorpion products that will be needed to prep and coat your truck bed. The following safety equipment is required. Along with the required respirator, we also recommend a full paint suit and taping your footwear to protect your clothes and shoes from overspray. Taping the bottom of your shoes will prevent tracking debris in the bed while spraying. The truck is going to be sprayed over the bed rails, so we must decide where we want the coating to stop. Look for a natural body line to follow. Place good 1/2-inch to 3/4-inch masking tape where you want the coating to end. This will be the primary tape line. After removing the tailgate, place it on a stand and tape. Now finish the primary tape lines. Wherever possible, use long pieces of tape. Plug holes where you don't want spray to penetrate. Also fill any holes or rail dents with body filler. Then grind down until smooth to the touch. Next, cover the entire truck to protect it from overspray. Cover large sections and the back of the cab with plastic. Secure the plastic to ensure that it can't blow back and contact the surface when spraying. Use masking tape to make sure the plastic will not move or slide when spraying. Do the same for the tailgate. It's a good idea to prepare a step so you don't tear the protective covering when accessing the truck. Once the truck is protected, it's time to begin sanding. We recommend using a 6 or 4-inch cup brush with nylon bristles. Begin on your wall. Pay close attention to bend, corners, or any transition areas. All you're looking to accomplish is scuffing or cutting the clear coat. This will allow the 8001 adhesion promoter to get the chemical bite that is needed. Once the walls are done, work your way out of the bed on the floor. Once again, make sure that you do a thorough job in the bed floor ribs and outer edges where the floor meets the wall. Another tool we recommend is a sharp needle scaler. In areas where there's scale, rust, loose paint, or there isn't enough room for the cup brush. Remember, we are not taking off all the paint, but we want to scuff the surface thoroughly. You want scratches you can feel, not just scratches you can see. Sand along the tape lines. Try not to damage them. Pulling a piece of 36 grit sandpaper along the tape line is the best method. The cup brush can also be used to scuff the tape lines. After blowing out any debris, spray and wipe the bed with Scorpion Prime Bond Cleaner. Mist small sections at a time and wipe with a clean rag. Make sure to continuously flip the rag to keep a clean surface for wiping. Our final step is priming the surface using Scorpion 8001 primer with a mist bottle. A pass with a very thin mist is all you need, making sure not to run or puddle the primer. When done, you should be ready to coat in about 30 minutes. A medium-sized truck will typically require about 2 large batches of Scorpion XO2. Each batch will have a quart of B, the activator, 1 quart of C, the catalyzer, 2.5 quarts of A, the clear resin, and 1/2 cup of tent. We will mix one batch at a time thoroughly for a minute, or until the batch is one consistent color. The pot life of a batch is approximately 20 minutes. Before coating, the surface temperature of the truck must be between 50 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, or at least within 20 degrees of the chemical temperature. The first batch is for the sides, front wall, and floor. Spray 18 inches from the target. Never pull trigger the gun. The trigger should be pulled 1/4 to 1/3 depending on desired texture. When spraying the walls, you should overlap 25%. For the floor, we suggest a 50% overlap. Outline the area to be sprayed, then fill it in. Move side to side at right angles from the target. We outline to keep from getting too thick in the corners. Outlining is no longer needed after the first pass. Spray walls first, then start on the floor. Start at the front of the bed, moving side to side. Move your body, not your wrist. Spray up to the wall, but not on it. Continue spraying the floor until you move out of the truck bed. Then spray the tailgate. Make sure you spray the tailgate from all 4 sides. Spray from each direction evenly. Mix the second batch and spray over the rail section and tape lines. Overspray the entire bed and tailgate with any remaining material. Multiple light passes are better than one heavy coat. When finished spraying, remove the protective plastic and the primary tape. Lift the tape at a 45-degree angle and slightly into the material. There is a slight curing time, 24 hours for light-duty use and 72 hours for regular-duty use. Scorpion is the proven choice in sprayed-on truck bed liners. Scorpion truck bed liners. Tough, affordable protection.